Alright, this is gonna be my collection video. Okay, so right here is my focus. I can clean the lens. Sorry about the blocky camera. Focus. Maybe I'll go try. Come on, that's zoom. Alright, doesn't matter. I'll just tell you it. Oh, there you go, it's focusing. Right here I have my Ford RMS 1T ZP. And also, it used to be dual action, but I converted it. I have that and the screws in the bag. So I'm gonna pull it. This is my only pull station. There you go, activated. Next is this Zoom Sensor S2415 remote strobe. See model S2415. And then 15 canal remote strobe. And the reason why I have tape and the bag over it is because the 15 keeps falling off. And without it, I forget the model number. And it is not multi-candela. See? No candela window. See it? So yeah. My family's watching. Next is my kitty covered monoxide. Loud. This is our only carbon monoxide detector, by the way. I know, this video is already 2 minutes long. It might be longer. Okay, so this right here is my Fakelite Classic. Oh, but it's not. This is right here's my Fakelite. I have tape over it because it's super loud. Strobe is really cheap. That tone selector terminals too higher. I don't know why China makes their alarms too higher. This is my FireX smoke detector. Let me go turn down the brightness. It's really horribly bright. There you go. So this is my FireX detector. This is the base. This is the unit. This is the back. FireX, battery compartment, specifications, base bracket, connector, test. Okay, this is my Wheelock MIZ. What's this? I'm just gonna throw that over there. MIZ, I have tape over it because it's way too loud. Okay, and I have it connected to a plug because I want to tell you what it sounds like. And also, I left it set on continuous, so I'm going to change it to code free. Come on. There, code free. Okay, let me go change it. Okay, oops, I already changed it. And that's what it sounds like. Okay, I'm gonna unplug it. It takes a while to pause and start up. Okay. Now we're in the hallway. Okay, now we're in my room. This is my Wheelock E50 speaker strobe. I know the stand keeps getting in the way of the video. Oh, it's too dark. No, I might need to turn up the brightness. There you go. Wheelock E50 speaker strobe. I have it connected to a speaker. Saw in mini system test free. Or might have saw. Let me go. There you go, brightness. There you go. Hannah, can you pause the video? Can you pause? Okay, video pause. Alright, over here it's dark. Right here, I'll turn the brightness up so you can see better because it's horribly dark. There we go. It's my broken Service Project speaker strobe. You can't tell, but it's a speaker strobe. Oh, you can't see. You know the brightness on max. Oh, that. There. Speaker strobe. And yes, it is a speaker strobe because I have a stunner box. There's not much room. I'm going to try to put the camera in there. You can't see it. The strobe this alarm is fully broken. I'm missing the large terminal selector block. The strobe is loose. And the speaker is punctured. Yep. If you try to look in there, then you can't see. Can't see that. But there is a brown piece in there, and that brown piece is a speaker. Yep. Oh, I know. Okay. And also, over here is a mounting base for the data detector. Yep, mounting base. Have anchors. Yep. So that is all in the video. Oh, and it's 6 minutes. And it's gonna be 7 and 2 seconds. So that's